Okay, Ampere's law. Ampere's law was given by Andre Marie Ampere, and the SI unit of the current is on the name of this ampere. Now, what is Ampere's law? Ampere's law is integral over any closed loop and the magnetic field and the small element. Dot product between magnetic field and the small element is equal to mu naught into I. This is constant, mu naught into I. Now, integral over closed loop, a loop which is closed. What is that closed loop called? That closed loop is Amperian loop. Whenever we draw a closed loop and write that as it is Amperian loop, then we'll use their Ampere's law, and this is that Ampere's law. Now let's see a short explanation on Ampere's law. This is the law. Now we'll consider cross section of four long straight wires carrying current I1, I2, I3, I4. We have considered four wires. Now this I1, I2, I3, I4 are in the surrounding. There is nothing in the area, just we have the current I1, I2, I3 and I4. Now you see here the symbol for I4 is different, the symbol for I1 is different. Now how they are denoted is something like this. I1, when it is coming out of the plane of the paper, it is in this form, denoted by circle and a dot. And when it is going inside the paper, it is a circle and cross in that, when it is going inside the paper. Okay, see, when it is coming out, it is circle and dot, and when it is going in the paper, into the plane of the paper, it is circle and a cross. So I1 and I2 are coming out of the paper, and I4 and I3 are going into the plane of the paper. Till now this many things are given to us. After that, I will draw a loop. Okay, I will draw a loop, and that loop is known as Amperian loop. Okay, on this Amperian loop, I will select an length element. I will select a length element. Let that length element be dl. Okay, and this arrow shows the direction of integration. Okay, my integration will be in the anti-clockwise direction. It is not the direction of the current. Currents are inside this loop. We have three currents which are inside the loop. Okay, three currents means this is the wire and this is the wire. In that wire, the direction of the current, first wire, direction of current is inside the paper. Second wire, again the direction of current is inside the paper. Third wire, first wire, the direction of current is outside the paper. Second wire, the direction of current is outside the paper. Third wire, the direction of current is inside the paper. Fourth wire, the direction of the current is inside the paper, that is into the plane of the paper. Now we have selected a small length element on this Amperian loop, and the direction of this small element is again in the plane of the paper. Now we will draw a tangent to this loop, and that tangent will give me the direction of the magnetic field. I will draw a tangent to the loop, and that tangent will give me the direction of the magnetic field. Okay, now this is the direction denoted. Now the angle between this length element and magnetic field is theta. So this was all about the diagram. After that, B dl dot product is equal to B dl cos theta. If I want to remove the vector sign and dot product, if we remove dot product, we have cos theta over here. We'll have cos theta on this side, right hand side. If we remove cross product, we'll have sin theta. Now B dl cos theta, and theta you can see, this is the theta between B and dl. After that, we will be writing our integral over closed loop, B dl. Okay, here apna left hand side. Now your small element is ds. We have taken our small element as dl. What our Ampere's law says? Left hand side is equal to mu naught I. So we are now solving our left hand side, B dl. So I have converted this vector quantity into scalar quantity, or in the form of magnitude I can say. this vector quantity is written in the form of the magnitude format. So this B dl can be written like this, B dl cos theta. Yes, written. Where is this integral? This integral is over dl and b cos theta. ये integration कहाँ पर है? This integral is over b dl and cos theta. ये term लिखा ना हम लोग ने, तो ये integration किसके अंदर आया, किसके ऊपर आया? dl पे और b cos theta पे. ठीक है, integral is over b cos theta and dl. Of course these terms are inside my integration, so of course my integration will be on these terms. What my Ampere law says, this term is equal to mu naught I, but I have converted this term into magnitude form, so I can say this term which is in magnitude format is also equal to mu naught I. Yes, I can say. So using curled palm right hand thumb rule, what I can say, I1 I2 are coming out of the paper. I1 I2 are coming out of the paper. Yes, I have told this to you. I1 and I2 are coming out of the paper because they are denoted by circle and dot. And where is the direction of the current? Current is also coming out of the paper. Using curled palm right hand thumb rule, I have found that current is also coming out of the paper. Curled palm right hand thumb rule, current is also coming out of the paper in this case. And what about I1 and I2? Even they are coming out of the paper. Means my current or I1 I2 both are parallel. In this case I1 and I2 will be positive. What about I3? I3 is also inside my Amperian loop, right? So let's see for I3. But I3 is going inside the paper. That's the reason it is denoted by a circle and a cross. I3 is going inside the paper. But what about my current? My current, which I have shown by right hand curled palm right hand thumb rule, from that I came to know that my current is coming out of the paper. But here I3 is going inside the paper. So the directions are anti-parallel. In this case, I3 will be taken as negative. So what we have done? This current is the addition of I1, I2, I3. I1, I2 and I3, right? Total current will be from I1, I2, I3 because these three are only inside the loop. I4 is outside the loop, so we'll not consider that. Now, I1 and I2 are positive, so I'll write a positive sign, but I3, just now we have calculated that it is negative. So I can write that this integral over closed loop b dl cos theta is equal to mu naught into bracket, at place of I, I'll write I1 plus I2 minus I3. See, I have written. This is how my Ampere's loop and Ampere law helps us to find out the direction of the current and also to study some particular things. Here we have studied just about 3 currents, not about the 4th one because it was outside the loop. So this is how my Amperian loop helps us to find out things inside the loop or on the loop. About means we'll confine ourselves in the loop.